Welcome to Let's Talk Investing, a co-production of the Globe and Mail and the Investor Education Fund. I'm Rob Carrick, personal finance columnist at the Globe and Mail, and with me is Michael Gray. And Michael started on Bay Street in 1962, the year I was born, and he now runs his own investment counseling firm. Michael, let's talk about bear markets. How many have you seen in your years on Bay Street?
I have seen, by my count, I've seen 6 recessions and 10 bear markets. Soon, I believe, exactly when I don't know, but soon to be a 7th expansion and an 11th bull market, because after the bear comes the bull. Don't ever forget it. Bear markets clean out the system. They get your feet back on the ground. They lower your expectations. They're healthy.
You say they're healthy, and yet investors are continually surprised. They're staggered. They're stunned when there's a bear market. Why is that?
Let me be fair. The last few years have been exceptional. You know, Hollywood couldn't have scripted what has happened better, and that most vital ingredient of all, called trust, broke down totally. And Wall Street has a lot to be ashamed of in our industry in what happened, and in the greed that took over and won the day. And as a result, you know, even bears don't like being duped. You know, that was so. This last bear market was a bad one,
right.
and the trust will take a while to repair. So I have sympathy for people who say what you've.
Okay. Now, you've talked about opportunity in bear markets. What do you mean by that?
Markdown bargains. You know, companies that good balance sheets, good leadership, good competitiveness, good everything, and you can buy them that much cheaper, and they're going to be around, and they've been able to pay their dividends. You would like to think through the bad times as well. So there's that. There's also catching the cycle. After the bear comes the bull.
No, but Michael, I get a sense that people keep thinking the market's been down, and what if it keeps going down? What if it never turns around? They're afraid to buy in a bear market.
I know. Tell them from me, they do turn around. They absolutely do turn around. After the bear comes the bull. The cycle, the economic cycle begins with economics. We go from expansion to contraction to expansion again. But in the meanwhile, they are great companies. You don't have to risk life on them. Utility-type companies that pay their dividends regularly. You can count on them. They'll get through. They'll weather the storm. Do it that way. Also, an avalanche of money waiting. And suddenly there'll be a massive rush for the entrance, not the exit, the entrance. You wouldn't have a chance of getting in. So
get in now while the prices are good.
That's right.
Okay. Many thanks, Michael.
According to plan.